How to remove Chrome notifications. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can stop notification from Chrome. So we are going to show you how you can remove any website from the Chrome notifications. So in this video tutorial, so let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome. So guys, I have already opened my Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you the window, but this is same process for all device. Okay, if you're using the Android phone, iOS phone, this process is the same. So just follow the steps. We can do this. First we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So we need to check the updates of Chrome. Before go ahead, just click on don't go to the settings, click on three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check the whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, you need to, it will be start updating automatically. After update, you have to relaunch your Chrome browser, so it will be reopen. Now just click on three dot option, go to the settings. So here I'm going to show you the Chrome notification settings, how you can manage the all notification from Chrome of Chrome. So here you can see at your left side there is a sidebar. So we need to go in the privacy and security options, and under the privacy and security option we need to go inside settings. So here you can see under the permissions you can go to the notifications. So here you can see under the notification you can see the three option. So there is one option where you can send allow the Chrome to send the notification. This is the minors. It will be send the standards notification. But if you want to disallow it and remove all website, or you turn off notification from all website, you have to just select this. Even though you have select this, you have to check in customize behavior. Okay, so under the customize behavior you have to check is there any website added here. So if there is any link or website added here, it will be send you the notification because it will be customized. Okay, when you have select this. So if there is any website like this, I just add one website here to show you properly. So is there any website under this section, then this website will send you the notification even you have select this. So you need to just click three dot option and remove it, and it will be removed. So that is how you can remove any notification from here, and you can select this to send, to prevent send notification of Chrome. So that is all, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.